pasta shells with meat, and for that we are going to use this special ingredient, which is your grape tomatoes from Naples, Italy. The recipe is quite straightforward. Heat some oil in a pan, add 1 onion, garlic, chili. Then you are going to add your tomatoes. Then we are going to add canned tomatoes to make this rich red sauce. I bought this from Salvi's, one of the best Italian restaurants in Manchester. To thicken the sauce, I'm adding some pasta water. In a separate pan, add oil, add some garlic, then your minced lamb. Then season your sauce and meat with salt, pepper. In your sauce, you're going to add some basil and mixed herbs. In your meat, you're going to add mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, parmigiano reggiano. Then you're going to mix it together and you're going to stuff it in your pasta shells. In the base of your baking tray, add some red sauce, then place your pasta shells. On top of it, you're going to pour your remaining sauce. Finish it up by adding mozzarella and parmesan. Then we are going to bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Top it up with fresh basil and it's ready to serve. One of my dear friends from Italy told me this recipe, and trust me, this is heaven. If you're gonna make it, this is gonna be a staple at your dinner table every week. The aroma is so amazing, the taste is deadly divine, and I just can't stop eating it. Until next time, I'm signing off. You guys take care and goodbye.